solves?
So zbyte is the world's first decentralized platform. And in the blockchain world, when we were looking at why this beautiful technology and disruptive force is not being adopted, we saw 4 problems. Number 1 was that your identity in the Web 2 traditional world is your email ID, your Active Directory, or your login. You can extend that later on to socials and Gmail and all that. But if you want to log in and interact with Web 3, you need to open a wallet, you need to remember a 17-word key phrase. That's too much friction. So we eliminated that. We brought that together and say, okay, you can interact seamlessly between both. Second problem was the programming languages are very complex. You have Rust, Solidity, Haskell, Michelangelo. The traditional Web 2 developer is really not able to adapt to that. So we said, let's go low code, no code. And so just drag, drop, everybody can build seamless apps. The third thing is we saw that blockchain protocols, take any layer one, right? Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. These are all raw protocols, and if you go to an enterprise with them, it's very challenging. It's like, hey, Judy, here's TCP/IP, go build Web3. Judy's like, what are you talking about, right? So we built a lot of integrations into traditional Web2 worlds, like your ERPs, your CRMs, and all that. So that was problem 3. The problem 4 is more interesting because if you need to pay these protocols, you need to pay them with crypto. The average CFO in a large enterprise is not comfortable having crypto on their balance sheet, at least not yet. That may change, but today we have to give them the option to pay using fiat and traditional methods. Lastly, when we looked at the market, according to Electric Capital's report, there's only 23,000 Web3 developers today. But the dApp market is projected to be 65 or 66 billion by 2027. Where are all these developers going to come from? They all have to come in from Web 2, use their comfortable methods, and build on Web 3. We are not of the opinion that Web 3 will rip and replace Web 2 tomorrow morning. They have to work together. If you have a Web 2 car, you can put a Web 3 engine, and that's how the dPlat came into being.